Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these white chocolate peep cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl and place in your room temperature butter, followed by the light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar. Then beat together until lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. Once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in your eggs. I find adding the egg a little bit at a time works really well, but you can always add in one egg at a time and mix until it's fully incorporated, but adding a little makes it easier for the egg to incorporate. But then just add in your vanilla and mix until it's fully incorporated, and that doesn't take very long, so you can mix it like 30 seconds to a minute more. That's all you need to do really. Then give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So don't forget to scrape the top and the very bottom of the bowl, as this is normally where the raw ingredient will collect and it's not what you want. Then add in your plain flour or your self-raising flour and raisination, chocolate chips, and then mix on a low speed to start with, working your way up to a medium-high speed, and just mix until you have a dough form. You're not looking to take it any further than that. Seeing as the cookie dough doesn't need to be chilled, you can process it straight away, so take your scoop and scoop up a generous amount of the dough, then roll it out between your hands and flatten it slightly, or you can do that once it's on the tray. Repeat the process until you have a tray full, so on this tray you should be able to get 5, but they do spread a little bit, so I do recommend only putting 3, just in case you don't want them to batch up. If you don't mind them batching up, then you can put 4 or 5, but that is a personal choice and preference. Then place them into the oven and bake them off. Once they're baked and out of the oven, this is what they should look like. You can then go ahead and finish the cookies off. Really simple. Just scatter over a few chocolate chips and place on the Peeps marshmallow, and repeat the process for the rest of your cookies. Do this while it's hot, and the marshmallow will melt onto the cookie and will work really well. Believe me, it's great. These are really easy. Or you can do it this way, which is a bit more organised, and I select where I'm placing the chocolate chips. Again, you can do it whichever way works best for you. I wanted to show you both. As I had 2 trays, I thought I'd do both. Then in the centre you can place your peep, let it sit there, and it will melt just perfectly onto the cookie, believe me. And here's what they look like up close. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.